Should pop-up drink stands prepare ingredient kits before events? Yes, preparing ingredient kits before events is a good idea for pop-up drink stands because it helps them serve customers faster and stay organized. Preparing ingredient kits means gathering and measuring all the ingredients needed for drinks ahead of time and putting them into ready-to-use packages or containers. This way, when a customer orders a drink, the stand workers don't have to stop and measure every single item on the spot. It saves time and reduces mistakes, especially when it gets busy. For example, if a lemonade stand has kits with sugar, lemon juice, and water already measured, they can quickly mix drinks without waiting. Another important thing is that it keeps the ingredients fresh and clean since they are stored properly in smaller parts, not just sitting open all day. Sometimes, stands make kits based on the most popular drinks they expect to sell, which helps plan better and avoid waste. People might not know that prepping kits also helps to train new workers faster because the process becomes simple and clear. It also makes it easier to keep track of inventory since you know exactly how many kits you have and can reorder ingredients on time. One common mistake is making kits too far in advance, which can cause some ingredients to lose freshness or spoil. A good tip is to prepare kits just a few hours before the event or keep perishable ingredients separate until right before serving. Another problem is not labeling kits clearly, which can confuse workers during busy times. Always label each kit with what drink it is for and the date it was made to avoid mix-ups. Some stands forget to adjust kit sizes based on expected sales, leading to either running out or wasting ingredients. It's best to estimate customer demand as closely as possible and prepare kits accordingly. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out and send you their estimates.